I think I've seen this film before and I didn't like the ending. You're not my homeland anymore. So what am I defending now? Hello. Hi guys, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all didn't forget me, because I didn't post for 3 weeks or something. Yes, I promised I would post every week, but this time it was not my fault at all. It was literally not my fault, and that's why it may feel like this video has come really soon because I posted September Faves like 2 videos ago. So it really messed up my flow, but whatever. But I have promised that I would post these monthly fave videos every month, so here I am. Hope you're ready. October. Not bad. It was a month of rejuvenation and renewing and rest and stuff, and that's what I did. I rested a lot. There were a lot of breaks between my work, so that was really cool. I got some time to set up a timetable. I also started waking up really early and go for a run. I also took a major step towards my future. I can't really tell you about it right now, but there is something very important going on in my life, and I really hope that it comes through so that I can share it with you guys because I'm so excited about it. Plus, I was doing my work. I also started reading books and stuff. I'm getting my life together. One more life update for you guys. I am going back to Jammu. Yes, enough of Mumbai. I love it, but I also cannot afford to spend all my money on hotel so that I can simply shoot my YouTube videos and my work. Why a hotel, you ask? First, there is no privacy at my apartment. There is no lighting there, and there is some kind of construction going on 24/7, and the video quality just becomes so bad. That's why I decided that let me just invest some money so that my videos at least come out good, better, and it's quieter. That's why I have been shooting a couple of my previous videos in different locations, if you are wondering. That's the reason I'm going back to Jammu, because there is like my own room and there's privacy and there's quiet and a very cute room waiting for me. Now coming to the main part of the video, that is my October favorites. My first mega favorite is this lip and cheek tint from Rene Cosmetics. It's in the shade Caramel Nude and it looks like this. The one thing that I really like about it is that it is not drying at all. Its pigment is so nice. I'll just apply it right in front of you. How nicely it just blends. It's really creamy and blendable. That's why it gives you a natural flushed look. It also looks very natural on lips. I wish I could show you, but I've applied lipstick already. So by the way, this lip and cheek tint is 750 rupees for this, which I think is worth the price because I don't think it's gonna finish anytime soon. Even if I use it daily, it's kind of like, it's a nice quantity, I guess. My next mega favorite is this blue eyeliner from Color Bar. As you can see, I am experimenting with colored eyeliners. This is not that great and my eyes look really worn out. That's because I spent 1 hour doing my eyeliner. Okay, story time. So I wanted to use this white eyeliner like this, and I kept on putting layers of black and white eyeliner until it was like 7 layers of eyeliner on my eyes. It still didn't come out the perfect shape that I wanted. Now I started to think it's because of my eyes. My eyes are really round, so I can't get this kind of shape, or maybe I just don't know how to, but it was really tiring and I had to like rub it off 100 times. That's why my eyes look a bit tired. But I really love this Color Bar blue eyeliner. It's from the Jacqueline Fernandez range and it's called Blue Pleasure 2. I absolutely love how easy it is to apply. Like, it's so cute. It has this felt tip and a very pigmented color. It also comes in like a lot of shades. I think I'm gonna buy a couple more. Plus, graphic and colored eyeliners are really in. My absolute favorite clothing of this month has to be this little polo t-shirt. Oops. this little crop top, which is a polo t-shirt. It says I don't do boyfriends, which I think is Maeve's line, because this is an H&M collab with sex education. There's nothing much to say about it because it's white and it's plain. It's super cute though. Love the absolute length of it. That's how a crop top should be. I've already seen a couple of people buy this because it's H&M. And my next absolute favorite thing of this month is this t-shirt from Blackpink. This is also from H&M. This is a Blackpink x H&M collab. It's pink and it has Blackpink written in black. They also have this in black with Blackpink written in pink, so that's really cool. I don't wear black clothes that much, that's why I bought the pink one. It's a baby pink color. It's in size small, so it's obviously oversized. I really enjoy wearing it, and I've already worn it like 3 times this month. So how you like that? I also have one of my favorite t-shirts from Ariana Grande x H&M collab, and I love that artists collab with brands like these so that, you know, normal people like us can have some of their merch. Taylor, I'm talking to you. Actually, there is more, but I do not have it in my hands right now because I bought it like 2 days ago, and it's Taylor Swift merch from Red. I got the all too well scarf with a beanie just to match them, and I got this really cute sweater which has Taylor Swift written on it. It's white and Taylor Swift are written in like maroon color. It's kind of like red velvet vibes, you know. Then I got this oversized t-shirt which has Taylor's face plastered on it. Really my brand, okay? I'm planning on buying more because they are planning on releasing more, and now that I've figured out that I can buy stuff from her site, I am not stopping. To save a lot of shipping and to avoid my things getting lost in customs and stuff, I ship all my orders to a friend in US. I have no idea when I'm gonna take all that merch from him, but at least it's there, so you know, it's there and it's mine. My favorite show of this month is nothing other than You. This show is about Joe Goldberg, who is a nice, charming man, but he has a dark side, and spoiler alert, he murders people in the name of love, and he's the main character. I know the show is kind of messed up, and I'm really assuming that you guys have already watched the show, because if you haven't, I have no words for you because it came in like 2018, and since then it has been one of the most popular shows on Netflix. So this Joe Goldberg is like me. He falls in love really quickly, but he can get obsessed with the girls he's in love with and then does bad things to, I don't know, protect them or whatever. And then you get really intertwined in his story. This whole show is based from his point of view, and there's a whole monologue going on from Joe's perspective which explains why he's doing all these shitty things, why he's murdering people, and then you're like, you know what, maybe they deserved it. That's what makes the show really special. You find yourself sympathizing with the worst of people, and they also play Exile by Taylor Swift at the end of the episode, and I cried so much. I think I've seen this film before and I didn't like the ending. You're not my homeland anymore, so what am I defending now? This month I did not discover new music. I didn't listen to any new songs. I'm sorry. But I'm very much in Red era because Red Taylor's version is just around the corner. I even changed the wallpaper. Wait, my phone is my mic, so it may disturb you a little bit. Those who don't know about Red, it's a very heartbreaking album, and if you haven't listened to it yet, you can wait for 12th November. Red is an album that I didn't appreciate when it came out. It grew on me over the years, and I think this is one of the best written albums by Taylor Swift. So since I don't have favorite songs this month, I will tell you my top 5 from Red.
Cafe, I watched it begin again. Loving him was red, and that was the moment I knew this is a state of grace.
Yeah, I Love is mostly just heartbreak, but there are like a lot of happy songs in it, like Treacherous, 22, and that's about it. Those are my favorite from the last month. If you have watched until here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. You can check out more of my videos if you want, and if you like them, then definitely subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment below. I will see you really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye.